In this video, we are going to implement another C++ program which finds largest element in an array. We know that what do you mean by array? It is a collection of homogeneous data element. Let's take A of n, where A is the name of the array, where n is the size of the array. So this array reserves n contiguous memory location in computer memory where we can store our data elements. And the index of this array starts from 0 to 1 less than the maximum size. And here is an array where the contiguous memory locations are reserved, memory blocks are reserved for storing n data elements. The indexes starts from 0 to 1 less than the maximum size, and the first memory block can be referred by a of 0, and the second memory block can be referred by a of 1, and so on a of n minus 1. So these are known as the indexed variable, right? So in this video we are going to implement a program which finds the largest element. Let's take one example. Here we have some elements 4, 5, 8, 7 and 2. So first we need to assign any one of the given element as a large. You can take the first element as the largest element, or you can assume any of the element of the given set as a largest element. Here in this case we are assuming the first element is the largest element. Then we need to compare this value with every element of the given set. So here we are comparing with the second element. 5 is greater than 4. So here 5 is greater. The condition is 2. So now in this case our largest value is 5. Then we are moving to the next element. Here 8 is greater than 5. This condition is also true. Then we are assuming 8 is the largest element. Then we are checking with the next element. 7 is greater than 8. This condition is false. So still 8 is largest. Then we are comparing with next element. Here also condition is false. So the 8 is the largest element. So in this way we are going to find the largest element of the given array. Let's implement in a program. Here we are defining and declaring an array of type integer with size 10 with some variables here. Then cout, enter the size of the array. Here we are reading the value of n, c in n. So here we need to read n number of elements, enter the array elements. By using for statement we can read n array elements. For I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, c in array of I. So this c in array of I executes n times from 0 to n for reading n number of elements. So here we are assuming array of 0 as the largest element, and then we are scanning the whole array and comparing this largest value with all the values of the given set. If any element we found which is larger than our assumed largest value, then that is the largest value. So we are scanning for I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. In every iteration we are comparing the element with a large value. If array of I is greater than large, then large equals to array of I. After comparing from first element to last element, we found a largest value which is stored in a variable large. Then we are printing the value of large by using an output statement. So if we execute it, executed, we need to input the size of the array. Let's take 4, enter the 4 elements here. Then 8 is the largest value. Execute it again, enter the size of the array. Now take 7, enter the 7 elements. So here we get 22 is the largest value. So you can also assume the last value as a large value. last value, that is n minus 1th value. This is the last index. Enter the size of the array, then enter the elements here, then this is the largest value, right? You can assume any value from the given set as a largest value. Just we are assuming, if is there any value which is larger than our assumed value, then that becomes a largest value. So in this way we are going to implement. So thank you very much.